What's up, tribe? It's Papa Bear here. We're gonna do the Fresnel lens fire. So you can see my Fresnel lens here. Fresnel, whatever it's called. Fairly bigger than just the little ones, but this is the one I usually use. All we're doing is just, I don't know that y'all necessarily need to know how to do it, but we're gonna just take and narrow down based off of the sunshine, which is on the other side. Let's go to here. And you can see I have a fire. That quick, that easy, guys. Renewable resource, the sun. Take her easy, guys.